Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about arrhythmias or dysrhythmias. It refers to sinus rhythm deviating from normal. Sinus tachycardia, this is what you will see in EKG or ECG. It originates from sinus node, heart rate 100 to 180 beats per minute, regular rhythm, normal QRS complex, normal PR interval, P wave precedes each QRS complex, normal conduction. Let's discuss some of the causes of sinus tachycardia. Exercise, anxiety, fever, drugs, anemia, heart failure, hypovolemia, shock, pain, infections, damage to the heart muscle, hyperthyroidism, low blood pressure, pulmonary embolism, caffeine, alcohol withdrawal, cardiac tamponade, sepsis, hypoxia, age, especially infants and children, dehydration, pregnancy, inappropriate sinus tachycardia, medications such as cocaine, TCS, antihistamine, atropine, theophylline, and marijuana. Now let's discuss some of the diagnoses. ECG or EKG, echocardiogram, Holter monitor, chest CT scan, chest X-ray, pulse oximetry, and this will be the first time you will realize the heart rate is high when you're doing vital signs and blood tests. Now let's talk about some of the treatments. Cardioversion, beta blockers such as atenolol, bisoprolol, metoprolol, and propranolol. They can also use calcium channel blockers such as diltiazem and farabamil. They can also use this medication called ivabradine and the procedure called catheter ablation and cognitive behavioral therapy. Now let's talk about some of the patient teaching about sinus tachycardia. Reduce caffeine intake, exercise regularly, stop smoking tobacco, reduce consumption of sodium. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and share.